Hello students, welcome to page 8 in your book 3. We only have 3 exercises this week. I will teach you a new time signature this week, the time signature 12-8, which is going to be easy for you to learn. And I think you'll have a good time with this page this week. It's not too terribly hard. So. All right, with no further ado, let's get our instruments out and get our books out and get ready for page 8. And we'll get after it right after this brief break. Okay, we lead off with number 35, Jack's the Man. This is in 6-8. It'll be fast 6-8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. Okay, remember, slow 6-8 is in 6, but fast 6-8 is in 2. So it'll be do, da, dee, do, dee, do, da, dee, do. Finger silently. Listen. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's try it all together, please. Ready? Here we go. Number 35. Jack's the Man. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, and after a quick break, we'll go to the next one. Stay tuned. Okay, we introduce a new time signature here for number 37, Serenade. It's 12-8 time, but if you can do 3-8, and if you can do 6-8, and if you can do 9-8, I promise you, you can do 12-8. All it is 12 beats per measure, and the 8th note still gets 1 beat. Now, we'll do this one in 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, and so here we go. Finger silently. 10, 11, 12. Now again, 8th note gets 1 beat. So the dotted quarter note, which normally would get a beat and a half, gets 3 beats. All the beat values are doubled. If you look at the last measure, you've got a dotted whole note. Now if we were here in the band room, we'd write it on the board and ask, how many beats is it and how did you arrive at that? Well, I'll tell you, because this is distance learning, it's 12 beats. A whole note is 4 beats, okay? And the dot adds half again the value, so that's 6 beats. But the bottom number is 8, so the beat values are doubled. 6 doubled is 12. And that's very quickly how you arrive at the 12. So the last note is 12 long beats. Here we go, everybody all together. 37, 10, 11, 12. And just for the sake of saying it too before the end, the dotted half note normally is 3 beats. With the bottom number 8, it becomes 6 beats. Remember, with the bottom number is 8, all the beat values are doubled. Okay. Quick break, and we get to one more song right after this. Okay, the last one. We only have 3 this week. This is it, the last one, 38, With Thine Eyes. Once again, we're in 12-8. The tempo marking says lento, which is slowly, and it's slower than andante. So obviously we will take this one in 12. You'll notice the word legato next to the dynamic marking mezzo forte. Okay, so let's finger silently. There's a retard in the last measure, and it's molto retard, which means much. Spanish word is mucho. Italian word is molto. Big retard at the end. Here we go, finger silently. 10, 11, 12. Okay, second line, just call your attention, there's a crescendo right at the beginning, and most of the second line is played forte. At the end of the second line, we have a decrescendo. Here we go, ready? 38. Everybody in 12, ready? 10, 11, 12. And that's it. We only have 3 this week, so we'll take a break and we'll conclude the lesson right after this pause. Stay tuned. Okay, that was it, page 8. Again, only 3 exercises. Just want to point out, I didn't say this in the instruction, but number 36, rhythm rap, again, skip it. Those kind of exercises we generally kind of gloss over. Again, the rhythms here, I think you'll get them. If you can do, again, if you can do 3/8, 6/8, 9/8, you should be able to do 12/8 just fine. Okay, this is, again, not a real super hard page. The first one, Jack's the Man, is in 2. It's in fast 6/8, but the other 2 are in slow 12/8. They're 12 beats per measure. Don't forget the 8th note gets 1 beat. All the beat values with the bottom number 8, all the beat values are doubled. Okay, it's the opposite of cut time, where if it's cut time, all the beat values are cut in half, which is kind of why they call it cut time. All right, so that's it for this week. Make sure you still work at it and pay attention to what is being recorded this week and be ready for it and make your recordings. All right, this is Mr. Pickett saying so long and have a wonderful time with page 8, and we'll see you next time for page 9. Goodbye, everybody.